If your basement looks like Atlantis, you're in need of some serious help. Water in your basement is never a good sight. But don't worry, 911 Home Service has got your back. We specialize in sump pump installations to keep your home dry and safe. And the best part? We're available 24/7. That's right, day or night, we're just a call or text away. Need help now? Dial 240-410-3675 to speak with our friendly team. Prefer texting? Send us a message at 833-647-5636. Or, if you're more of an email person, shoot us a message at info911homeservice@gmail.com. Still on the fence? Check out our website at www.usa911homeservice.com for more info and customer reviews. Remember, with 911 Home Service, you're never alone in dealing with water troubles. We're here to help anytime, any day. So why wait? Call, text, or email us now, and let's get that basement back to normal.